Hello dear students. In this problem, we'll have to find magnetic field due to current I flowing in an elliptical loop at its focus. Equation of ellipse in polar coordinate as shown in figure is L by R equal to 1 plus E cos theta, where E is eccentricity, which is a constant. So basically in this problem, करंट आई फ्लो हो रहा है इलिप्टिकल लूप में और उसके फोकस पर हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं और इलिप्स की इक्वेशन पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट की टर्म्स में गिवन है एल एंड आर एज शोन इन फिगर। तो इसमें कैलकुलेट करने के लिए लेट्स कंसीडर ए स्मॉल एलिमेंट डी एल which is current carrying element, and due to this is dl vector, this is r vector. Suppose angle between them is phi and we have considered this element which is at an angle theta and making an angle d theta at the focus. So magnetic field due to this current element dB, as you know by Biot-Savart law, is given by mu naught by 4 pi I dl cross r divided by r cube, which can be written as mu naught by 4 pi I dl r sin phi divided by r cube, because angle between dl vector and r vector here is phi. Now if we see what is the value of dl sin phi, this length will be equal to dl sin phi if these two lengths are r almost. So dl sin phi here will be equal to r d theta for a small element. For a small element dl sin phi will be equal to r d theta. So we can replace dl sin phi by r d theta. We get dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I, एक r नीचे से कैंसिल होकर r स्क्वायर बचा, एंड dl sin phi can be written as r d theta. As you can see, एक r भी कैंसिल हो जा रहा है, mu naught by 4 pi I by r d theta बच रहा है. Now the value of 1 by r can be written by given relation. Suppose this relation is represented by equation 1, then we can say from equation 1 dB can be written as mu naught by 4 pi I. 1 by r can be written as 1 plus E cos theta divided by L d theta. As you can see, एक एक्सप्रेशन बन गया है, इसमें ओनली थीटा इज अननोन, ऑल अदर quantities are constant, and we can integrate theta from 0 to 2 pi to get the result. So B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi L integration 1 plus E cos theta d theta from 0 to 2 pi. As you can see कि mu naught by 4 pi I by L 1 का इंटीग्रेशन यहाँ पर थीटा हो जाएगा और प्लस E cos थीटा का इंटीग्रेशन बिकम्स sin थीटा from 0 to 2 pi. The value of sin theta from 0 to 2 pi will come out to be 0 and थीटा की जगह 2 pi बचेगा, तो this comes out to be simply mu naught by 4 pi I by L into 2 pi, which remains mu naught by 2 I by L. ये आपका सिंपल सा आंसर बन जाता है. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फोकस पर कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जा सकता है अगर करंट I फ्लो हो रहा है, तो वो हमने इसमें देखा और हमने पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स का यूज़ किया. उम्मीद है आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा। ध्यान से